Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make aromatic yellow basmati. This rice is flavoured with gently fried onion, cumin, cardamom, turmeric, cloves and lemon juice. As always, a full list of the ingredients for this dish can be found in the description below. Please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. Before you begin, rinse 2 cups at around 400 grams of rice until clear. Soak for 15 minutes in cold water, rinse again, then drain. Get a pan with a lid and heat on medium heat. Add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 bay leaf, 5 cardamom pods, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cloves and around 75 grams of chopped onion. Mix in well and fry for a minute or 2 to infuse the flavours. Stir again, then place the lid on the pan. Reduce the heat to low and continue to gently simmer the onions and spices for around 5 minutes to soften. Carefully remove the lid and give it a little stir. Add in 500 ml of boiling water and then the drained rice. Stir gently to incorporate everything. Bring back to the boil, cover so none of the steam can escape, then reduce to its lowest heat for 15 minutes. Do not be tempted to lift the lid, you need the steam to cook the rice. Remove the lid, stir through and serve. It is as easy as that. Please remember to like and subscribe, and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.